7th standard. He went around telling his friends that I'm gonna date this girl. And then he got the guts to come up to me and say, listen, I think I really like you. I told him, listen, please, you're shorter than me.
So she was like, she made a bet with me. She told me, the day you become taller than me, I'll go out with you. So I joined mixed martial arts. Did all the pull-ups I could, became taller, and then I was like, now I'm here. Let's go out.
I just want to welcome Shivani into the Soy family, and it should be really grand. Like, she really needs to know what madness she's signing up for. But I'm so excited for her.
They're the craziest people we know.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
like if they're not in the room is so quiet. The minute they both enter,
It's not a room if they're not there.
Yeah, it's not a room if they're not there.
It's just a place. Any place there, they give meaning to the fucking place, you know? I mean, same, I concur.
Did I tell you this is long-term material? I never say that in my life.
Like, I'm so ecstatic to like witness everything, the good, bad, the beautiful.
Have seen me when I was like that much.
Yeah.
And the love and hate relationship has been so great that we've learned on so many different levels that we all love each other.
When both of you together at the same time, I don't know what fucking weird is. But when I meet everyone, that's what I think about everyone. And then the circle completes and I'm like, yeah, I'm the weird.
मेरे husband से करते
Oh, I don't even realize this happened.
I think even if I spent another
Decade.
75,000 years looking for someone better, I would be able to find someone that's 1% as perfect for me as you are.
That's not what your Snapchat says.
I love you. And I'm so happy that I fell in love with my best friend.
They are compatible. वो उसकी सुनता है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात.
Option नहीं है. Option नहीं है. बच्चे करो.
जल्दी बच्चे करो. Best of luck in life.
Just wishing them a very happy and a prosperous, not just a married life, but just a life together and a loving one, and just want all the happiness for them.
They're so in love right now, and we only wish to see them like that.
Yeah, it's just good to see them like this.
Have a happy married life together, Kunal and Shivani. We love you all and we believe in your love.
And y'all are adorable.
Been through with them A to Z, the whole journey. I know there is nothing but happiness for the rest of their lives. And like I told the group, she is long term. And you know what? I'm correct about it. Because I don't say that about anyone.